Hey everybody, it's the Boss Lady here, coming to you today with a unboxing. I won a giveaway, and I won it from Miss Felicia from Culminate Your Life, and I'm so excited to open it up. But let me show you. I'm praying. Nothing happened. Because you see that damage right here to the box? And she put on here that it's fragile. So I'm praying nothing happened to what is in here. Hopefully not. Took me a minute to get to the post office to pick it up. And I got an announcement about the post office in just a second. But anyway, took me a minute to get there. Because she emailed me, let me know when she was mailing it. Then, you know, life happens on both ends. So, you know, neither one of us was up to date on what we was doing. But anyway, I got there now. And so, yeah. And I think this is a card on the front. So let me see if I can open this first. Had to pull out my scissors and try to cut the tape. But I'm super excited. Yes, it's a card. So we're going to open that first. And before I open up everything, Miss Felicia, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate all your hard work. Okay, so give me a second, y'all. I just want to open up the card real quick. Oh, it's got little birds and sunflower. Right? Yeah, sunflowers on it. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, let me see. Oh, thank you. Oh, sorry, y'all. I done kicked the camera. Don't want y'all falling. Okay, so let's open this up. She's got it packaged very well. So I'm praying that dent didn't cause any harm. I don't think it did. Let me see, where's the dent at? It's on this side. So let me check this side first. Oh no, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Okay, sorry that's getting blurry. It's trying to focus. Let me move the box. Grab my scissors. So I'm really excited because I want to use it for my Valentine's decor for my table. So, and I think it would be really cool because Boss Man doesn't know what it is. And he's not here right now. Of course, he's been asking, what's in that box? Just typical. He being nosy. Okay, give me a second, guys. She got it packaged very well, so I'm happy about that. I want to check this one first because this is the one that was on the side where the damaged box was. So I just want to make sure that it's not damaged. So okay, here we go. Very excited, very excited. Oh, here we go, guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at there. Okay, hold on. Look at that. She made this herself. She did a DIY on her channel. And I want to say she did it in gold and silver. And so when she did the giveaway, she gave us the option, the folks who won, myself and someone else, she gave us the option of choosing, do we want gold or do we want silver? And she literally made these, like after we won and we chose which color we wanted, she made these, you know, specifically for us. So she told us, you know, give me a couple weeks so I can make them and make sure everything is good. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I just love it, love it, love it. So that's that one. And then I believe the other one is a little bit bigger. So I want to show you that one as well. So give me a second to open this one up. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm super excited. Even though I still don't have an idea for my tablescape, which I need to get a jump on fast. But, yeah. It'll come together. I I will tell you, as opposed to doing a setting for 4 or a setting for 3, I'm only going to do a setting for 2. Not to discredit Miss Peanut, but you know, I want to do something just specifically for he and I, even though we technically don't really celebrate it like everybody else, but still. So, I'm getting excited. Oh, I just love the fact that she bubble wrapped this so well. Because I was worried when I saw that damaged box. Okay. Oh my gosh. And when I'm done using these on the table, they are going inside my either curio or china cabinet. But here's the other one. So, they're 2 different sizes, and they are just gorgeous. I just love them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me see. I'm going to move the camera so you guys can see them a little. Well, hopefully. I don't want to move you so close, but anyways, like that. Really cute. Really cute, really cute, really cute. So, once again, I want to say thank you to Miss Felicia from Culminate Your Life. I hope you all like this video. Go and check her channel out. She has some wonderful DIYs over there. She's very spiritual, which I love. And yeah, so I'll see everybody in a new video. Bye-bye.